So yeah, hi everyone. I'm Tushar, and today we are going to see how Copilot can help us, and we will be creating our own custom Copilot. So let's welcome to the world of Copilot. So I guess my screen is also visible, and also I'm audible. So let us see our today's agenda. So firstly, we will be seeing the basic introduction of Copilot Studio. What is the definition? What are the key features? Secondly, we will be having a tour of a Copilot Studio. Then we will be seeing how we can create our own custom Copilot. And lastly, we will be seeing what are the real world use cases, and in real world which industries are using Copilot and what benefits they had got from using the Copilot. And lastly, what are the takeaways from our today's session. So let us start about the our Microsoft Copilot. So basically, it's an graphical tool which is a low level code, and it can help to design you enhance productivity and creativity by integrating AI powered assistants into your various tasks. You can easily integrate Copilot Studio into various Microsoft tools available. It helps developer to write code efficiently, faster. You can debug your code. You can help to streamline your workflows. You can use Copilot for content generation, image generation, and also offers intelligent suggestions and automation directly to your work environment. If we talk about the key features of Microsoft Copilot Studio, the first is that it has a very user friendly interface. So beginner also can easily explore the Copilot Studio. You can track your performance, and also you can track your analysis. Microsoft Copilot Studio can seamlessly integrate with different Microsoft tools available in the market. You can have a low-code development. You can customize Copilot Studio depends on your needs. And last but not the least, it has an advanced artificial intelligence capabilities. So let us have a Copilot Studio tool. So if we talk about Copilot, we are having a different Copilot. So first one is the GitHub Copilot. As all the developers are using GitHub Copilot, which is easy to use, and also it automates code generation. It helps to debug the codes. Secondly, we are having a Microsoft 360 Copilot for the 365 apps. You can easily use LLM models. You can secure your data using the Copilot Studio. We are also having a Microsoft Security Copilot, which is enabled in the tools like Microsoft Defender, Microsoft Purview, Microsoft Pivia, which can easily enhance your security using the Copilot Security. So this is how our Copilot Studio dashboard looks. You can see that we are having a simple dashboard where we can create our own custom Copilots. We will be exploring in depth. So how we can create our Copilot Studio? You can create your own custom Copilot Studio for various purposes. You can create for your marketing purpose. You can create for operation. You can create for your sales. You can create for CRM. You can create for HR, and also you can create for your own project management using your own data and using the third party data. So this is a simple example how and simple Copilot Studio looks. You can see that it's basically a global weather forecaster where user can ask anything about the relevant topics, and you will be getting the answer based on your asked questions. So the question arises here: when we have to create our own custom Copilot, the first thing is that if you need to integrate your company's data and documents, and if you want to retrieve real-time information from that things, then you have to create your own custom Copilot. If you want to build your own custom solutions, then you can create your own Copilot. If you want to enhance your capabilities, then you can create your own custom Copilots. If you want for a proficient development, you can create your own custom Copilots. If we talk about the specific use cases, I had given some use cases. The first use is that a customer can build a chatbot for their e-commerce product. You can create a virtual assistant for scheduling a healthcare appointments. Also, you can create and gaming experiences that incorporate generative AI experiences. So I think we all are ready to explore the Copilot Studio. So basically, this is a Copilot Studio. You can see that it is having a home. You can having a create icon where we can create our own custom Copilots. If we click on this Copilot icon, then it will show already built Copilots overview. We are having a different kind of libraries. And if we talk, we are having a different starter templates. If you are really a beginner, you can use this starter templates. But for this demo purpose, we are not going to use any starter template. We are going to create custom from our own. So let us start without wasting time how we can create our own custom Copilot. So first, you have to go to a create option. Just click on a create button. Once you had created on a click button, so you can see that we are having an option for creating a new Copilot, and also we can start with the basic templates that already available in the Copilot Studio, and we can create our own custom Copilot with the help of these starter templates. But we are not going to use this starter template. We are going to create our own new Copilot. So just click on the new Copilot icon. So you can see that basically it's a chatbot interface already available here. We are having an option for skip to configure, and we are having an option for create, and you can also edit the language. But if you are a beginner, I strongly suggest don't skip this configuration. Just read what it says and use this configuration to build your own custom Copilot. So if we see what it is asking, hey, hi, I am here to help you build a Copilot. And in few sentences, how will your Copilot assist to your user? So basically, it's asking that how your Copilot will assist to your user. So let's give the answer that how my Copilot will assist to the user. So I'm just telling that it will be okay. I'm just checking. We are going to create a Copilot on the health assistant. So I need to answer that how it will be assisting our users. So it will be helping users to find an information about healthy living, and just press the enter. So it will be giving a response on the given prompt. So basically it's a basic of prompt engineering. Hey, great, your Copilot will assist users in finding information about healthy living. It will provide guidance and resources on a topics related to maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Do you have any instruction for how your Copilot should assist, for example, a specific tone? If you have any instruction, yes. And yeah, we are having instruction, and the instruction is there that be friendly, give and proper, provide clear response to the user, provide clear responses, and do not provide a medical jargon. Sorry, spelling mistake. So what I had given that my Copilot should be user friendly. It should provide a clear response based on the user enter question. So this is the thing. Got it. So your Copilot will have a friendly tone. It will provide a clear response, and it will avoid using medical jargon. So the question comes here that how the information will be fetched. So it is asking where should the co-pilot find important information. So we have to provide any publicly accessible website that co-pilots will be need. So we will be using better health channel. So basically it's an channel where we can have an information about the how we can enhance our health. So what we have to need, we just have to copy this URL, and you can see that it is having information about the different kind of how you can have a condition and treatments, what are the healthy livings, how you can service and supports, what is the A to Z health information about the different kind of diseases available in the universe. So we have to provide our knowledge. So basically I had provided a link where when user ask a question, so this answer will be fetched from this website. So let us see what prompt it is giving. Great. So your Copilot will be using this information as a resource. Are there any topics or a task this Copilot shouldn't help with or talk about? So do you think that any information is there, or you have to put some validations that this Copilot Studio should not give the answer? So I personally think that we are building an bot for a health conversation, right? So I think that it should not provide any specific doctor recommendation, or it should not provide any specific health practices. So I have to give that prompt validation. Basically you should not provide information about any specific doctor or any specific health practices. So you can see that it has generated an response, and I guess this is very enough to train our custom copilot, and we can start with it. Understood. Your copilot will refrain from providing information about any specific doctor or specific health practices. And perfect. Now we are ready to set to test our new copilot. So now you can see that what information is given here. And now just click on the create button. So basically what it happens, it will create our custom own copilot. So I had created. So it is setting up our own copilot. It will take a little bit minutes. Okay, we are ready. So you can see that what we are having. It is given a by default name. It's auto generated. We can edit it. It's a healthy living guide. You can see the overview tab. We are having a knowledge tab. We are having a topics tab. We are having action, analytics, and channel tabs. We will be exploring one by one. So you can see that your co-pilot is ready. What it also mention you that you can add action, you can build your topics, and at the end you can publish your copilot. So you can see that what is the name, it's a healthy living guide. What is the description given here? It's assist users in finding information about healthy living, providing guidance and resources on maintaining a healthy lifestyle. And information is also given here. And in knowledge section you can see that the source we had provided is here. So here basically it's an hello message. Hello, I'm healthy living guide one, a virtual assistant. So let us ask. So firstly, let's explore this website. So if we talk about here and let's go for the A to Z of health information. So you can see that abdominal birth defects, abdominal muscles. So let us explore what different kind of diseases we are having. I'm just clicking on the tab 3 pagination. Okay. So okay, acupuncture, acute diseases, adenoids, right? We are having different kind of diseases available here. We can search. So let us search for the basic disease, that is asthma. Okay, we are not find the results. No issue. Okay, yeah, we are having in conditions. So you can see that it is giving basic information about asthma basics, what it be with the living with asthma, how to manage asthma, how to thunderstorm asthma, and different action plans, and all information is given. So now let us ask our custom copilot that what information it can retrieve from the given knowledge. Basically, knowledge is the website that we had given to fed it. So how we can manage? I'm asking a basic question. Asthma. So I had asked the question to our co-pilot, and let us see what answer it is giving. Okay, so it has given the answer. So managing asthma involves several key steps. Medication is essential for managing asthma well, and you can see that what are the three references, and all these three references are provided from the Better Health channel. You can see that. Yeah. Now let us go for let us firstly explore all these tabs. So basically in knowledge, we provide the information where user will be asking the question, and that answer should be provided from the particular thing. So you can add knowledge using multiple various sources. One is you can add knowledge by the public website, you can add knowledge by the SharePoint, you can add knowledge by the databases. Also you can add knowledge from the PDFs enabled here. We will be exploring later things. Next we are having a topic section. So in this topics, basically we are having and different topics which is already enabled by the Microsoft Custom Copilot Studio, right? But if we explore, start over, I'm clicking on the start over. So what it will be providing information. So it is just having the information how your Copilot Studio will be starting. I'm just creating and conversational boosting. So you can see how our conversation boost works here. So you had seen that our conversation started, we had provided an activity, and we had got the answer which is not blank, right? So different type of things you can provide here using the topics. And now let us refresh this. So I had refreshed this. Okay, now let us ask one more question. Give me three tips for managing asthma in bulletin points. I want information how we can manage asthma in bulletin points, and only I want three. So let us wait for the response, how response is generating. Okay, so you can see that response is generated and it has given the three bulletin points what user has asked. So I guess this is little bit very easy how you can create your custom Copilot. Now let us do some modification in our own Copilots. I'm just clearing the responses. And the thing is that now let us enter one more knowledge. So we are going to use ICD codes. So basically ICD is an international classification code for diseases which is used universally all over the world. So basically this is a disease where we can have an ICD codes for the particular diseases. So we'll be having link. Let's add this. For the name purpose, I will be having ICD codes, and let us click on the add button. ICD code is also added. Now let us ask ICD codes for some better thing. Okay, so I'm just clicking on these metabolic diseases. So you can see that we are having an codes for the different kind of disease available. So I am copying this diabetes malicious, and I am asking that what is the ICD code for diabetes malicious. So just entered, and let us see what response it's giving us. To diabetes, so you can see that it is having from E8 to E13. Let us explore undepth. So you can see that and E13, how accurate results it is generating from the provide knowledges. So I guess we had you all know that how you can chatbot. Now let us explore the topic. So let's act on the topic. So you can see that I'm just clicking on the all. So you can see that in all we are having many. Last refresh now. You can see in all that we are having many topics that is already given by the custom Copilot. So whenever we are starting our conversation, so you can see that we are having in this message, and I think this message is not pretty sure that it is not user friendly for the user. So what I have to do, click on the conversation start. So you will be seeing that hello, I am our board name, that is healthy living guide 1, a virtual assistant. And just I'm just deleting this, and I'm just basically writing how can I help you today, question mark, and just saving it. So I had saved it. So now just refresh our testing Copilot. So you can see that the message becomes that hello, I am healthy living guide 1, a virtual assistant, and how can I help you today? So you can see that how we had changed our starting conversation message. Now let us see how we can create our own custom topics. So just I am clicking on an add, and we will be using create from description with Copilot. So let us click, and I am writing this emergency, and what things I should get whenever user had prompted an emergency keyword. So for medical emergency, or ambulance, call 108. In need of police help, call dial 100. So I had created one topic that is basically known as emergency. So our topic is created. So you can see that our topic is created. Now let us test this. Now let us test this. What should I do in emergency? So let us wait for the response, what response it's generating. So in case of emergency, you should call 000 and ask for the ambulance. So yes, it has given the information that we had given as the for the emergency, right? So this is how you can create your topics. You can create your own topics. Also, you can create change the topics that is already customly given by the things. In actions, we can create multiple actions that is already available. If we click on an add action button, so you can see that we are having multiple options. We can have a row, we can delete a row, we can get forecast for today, we can send an email notification, right? Action. If we click on an analytics button, so you can, it will be giving a Power BI analytics that how our custom copilot is working. Data is loading. So it has created a dashboard that how our chatbot is performing. And if we click on our channels, so you can see that yes, our Copilot is not published, right? And what channels you can use? You can use Microsoft Teams, you can use demo website, you can use custom website, you can use mobile apps, Facebook, Skype, Slack, etc., etc. Also, you can integrate with Dynamic 365. Okay, so now basically what we are doing, we are going to publish our Copilot. So before publishing, just click on the settings. So now let us change the name. I had given a name for the healthy assistant. Let's change the icon. So I'm just giving the health icon. I'm just saving it. Okay. So information will be changed, right? Now, what the thing you have to do is that click on a security tab. So what it is giving, let's click on an authorized authentication. So you can see that we are having an three options. You can do no authentication, we can have authentication with Microsoft, and we can have authentication manually. But here my custom copilot should be public. So what I am doing, I'm just clicking on no authentication section and clicking on the same thing. Yeah, just click on the same. Okay, so it's done. So now what I have to do is that my healthy assistant copilot is built. Now I have to publish it. So click on a publish. Yes, publish this copilot. So yeah, it will be publishing. So let's wait for a few minutes. Okay, I can close this window. Now what I have to do for exploring it, once it is published, I was used this custom copilot with the demo website. Okay, it's published, right? And I will be using the demo website. So you can see this is our demo website, and yeah, healthy assistance is there. And I had got the starting message which I had changed. Hello, I'm healthy assistant, a virtual assistant. How can I help you today? How can I manage diabetes? I know I had entered the wrong spelling. But yeah, it is generated and given me the right spelling. Diabetes can well manage with healthy eating, regular physical activity, and weight management. Now let us ask the question: what is the ICD code for heart diseases? So it's given me the ICD-10 CM code for unspecified heart disease is I51.9, and under the relevant code it is given. So you can see that without having a knowledge of coding or without doing little bit coding, I had just built an custom chatbot using Copilot Studio, and how efficiently you can also build custom Copilot using Copilot using Copilot Studio. So now let us explore how you can, what are the real world use cases. So you can see the companies like KPMG, Visa, Honda, Accenture, Nvidia, Amadeus, Dove, and many more are the already customers of a Copilot. Now let us see what companies are telling about the Copilot Studio. What PayPal says: Copilot Studio has helped us reduce the workload and cost of our support team while increasing the engagement and loyalty of our employees. What City of Kelowna says: City of Kelowna has built co-pilots using Microsoft Studio, which is revolutionizing the way we serve both the citizens and the builders. So these are the real world use cases and how this big tech giants are using co-pilot studios. So what is today's reality? And today's realities are that humans are hooked and machines are learning. Please make sure you focus on your mental and physical health. And now let us see what are the takeaways. So if we talk about today's takeaway, stay updated because the windows is shrinking. Customize your experience for optimal results. Stay ahead in a competitive landscape. Learn what artificial intelligence can and cannot do for you. Don't be totally dependent on AI. Use your own intelligence and use your AI in a way where it's not recognizable. Let's connect on LinkedIn. So you can scan this QR code and you can connect to me as LinkedIn. So I'm just having for this 1 minute. So guys, thank you very much. And also Microsoft, thank you for providing me wonderful opportunity. And thank you, Jeannie, and thank you, Reskill.